Hi guys, I have been doing pasta bags for a while. I hope you all know what they're all about. It's this. It's where you're making pasta sauces and you're freezing them flat so that when you come home from work, you are just simply heating up your sauce, which has got all the ingredients that you possibly need, your meat, your veg, everything in it, and you are adding it to some pasta and you've made the fastest pasta ever so that you don't have to keep chopping onions and mushrooms and everything every night when you come in and you want to eat a quick and easy pasta. Okay, really simple. This one is really low calorie, really good for you, packed full of veg. Okay, it's veggie-packed sauce basically, that's what we're calling it. So let's get started. Bit of olive oil into the pan, or you could use a sort of fry light if you want. Okay, and let's get it on the stove. You are going to, with that, add in 1 cup of mushrooms. Okay, your 1 cup of mushrooms goes in, and I've just bought already sliced mushrooms because they're so much easier to use. Your frozen garlic goes in, and if you want the full recipe, because you know me, I just like to bung it in. If you want the full recipe, you can get it at www.batchlady.com, where the Batch Lady is all about saving you time, hassle, energy, all that sort of stuff. Okay, next put in one of these trays. You'll see these in your fresh aisle in the supermarket, okay? A tray of roasted vegetables. And so it's just ready to be roasted. It's already cut for you, it's already mixed in. You can reuse these trays. I sometimes make them and add sort of like a lasagna or a moussaka or something, and you can just put some silver foil on the top, so you can definitely use them again. My book, you know, I've been telling you all about it. It's out. You can get it everywhere. Go and have a look, see for yourself, see what it's all about. Right, I am just going to give this a couple of minutes to fry up, okay? This isn't one probably for the little kids, unless your kids are really good at eating veg. It's not hidden veg because we're going to leave it chunky. But if you want to, you can, if you've got little kids, use one of those blenders, you know, and just mush it down and hide all the veg. So if you're looking for a nice tomato sauce with hidden veg, you can certainly do that. We're going to add a teaspoon of sugar just to take the tartness away from the passata, and we're going to add some tomato puree. So once your vegetables are cooked down, we'll get all that in the pan. Okay guys, so I have left it just till it's all really cooked down, okay? It's only taken me about 7 minutes, I'd say, something like that. I'm then going to add in my 2 lots of passata, just like when I've made the other sauces. Okay, my 2 lots of passata. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of tomato puree, or a good zhuzh, as I like to say, just a bit of a squirt, that'll do. No need to measure that. Always good to have your bins right beside you, it means that it just takes 2 minutes. I'm also going to add a teaspoonful of sugar. It's up to you if you want to or not, but if you're making just tomato sauces like this with lots of veg in it, it's actually really nice to do. You can add salt and pepper to this. I'm just going to add pepper because our family, we're not big on salt, so it's entirely up to you if you want to salt it. I'm sure most people do, I just never do. That is literally going to sit there for about 15 minutes, okay? Then we're going to come back and we're going to bag it up so it looks like this. It's going to go flat in your freezer. You could put this on anything. You know, you could serve it over the top of pasta, you could serve it over the top of chicken. There is tons that you could do with it, okay? It would make a really nice kiddie meal, just all blitzed down, like I say, with hidden veg, so why not give it a go? Thanks for watching The Batch Lady. I'll let you see what it looks like when it's on the pasta. It looks like this. And when it's bagged up, it looks like this. So you know exactly what you're doing. Happy batching. Bye!